that island?
Yeah, remembering. What about it?
Let's go get it! Might make you reconnect with the mind.
Yeah, whatever. Definitely not.
Oh, you sad old discarded creature. Have you lost your breath?
I'm saving my step for kicking your butt.
Throw up your hands in sadness and lose yourself in the madness. Dance! Your struggle is pointless, friend. Everything is.
Nope. Certainly not. No way.
Onwards to save the mind.
Ah.
Cerebrum City. Remember this place, Dusty?
I'm not here for a trip down memory lane, Bird. I'm here to find that thieving bastard.
Get up there and catch him!
Nope.
The mind is broken. We need order. Order is important. I tell you.
Hurry! Do something now! There's stuff to do! Come on!
Whatever. The mind's in a rough state, but what you gonna do about it?
Whew. Damn stairs.
When the mind was young, everything was much easier. And it never...
We should just burn down the whole thing, if you ask me. It would make such beautiful fires.
No way.
When the mind was young, everything was much easier. And it never rained. Those were the days.
lowering myself to do anything about such things as nightmares. What's below me?
Ah! These nightmares make me so angry! I feel like smashing something!
Laughter is always the best medicine.
Good night, my dudes! Let's just party!
My nerves! Nightmares everywhere! Help us all!
We have to be reasonable here. Mayor Relic will know what to do.
Now I have you, crook.
Farewell! May your days be soiled in dread and despair.
The gate. It looks so strange. Mayor Relic!
Piper, you brought back something old and musty. Your presence brings me joy, old Dusty. Mayor, what the heck happened here? Trauma in the conscious mind. The nightmares have come unconfined. They've seized our lands without remorse. We hide in fear behind closed doors.
That's why the mayor sent me to find you.
So a few nightmares escaped the gate and you're scared, huh? I'm not your guard anymore, Mayor. I'm only here to beat that thief and get my stuff back. You have been unneeded for long, my friend, but the mind now needs your aid again.
Yeah!
Needs my aid? Huh! The mind stopped challenging itself. I've been forgotten. I cannot blame you for feeling so rotten.
So, do you know why the gate acts strange? We can't go through.
Too much fear came through the gate and left it in an altered state. Enough gibberish. How do we fix it so I can get my scrapbook back? If you must the gate traverse, the flow again must be reversed. Defeating a nightmare, I'll confess, should put an end to all this mess. So beating up a single loose nightmare could reverse the gate? Okay, Mayor, where do I find one? A gangly cougher slinkered by and disappeared into freedom isles. Creative thoughts now drown in gas. This seedling here should clear your path. With all that rhyming, this better work, old man.
Wait, I'm coming too! I love the right side of the mind.
Certainly not.
Whoa! Like growing an idea.
Let's just hope it holds up. More damn stairs.
Freedom Isles. Isn't it great to be back in the creative part of the mind?
Nah.
Jeez, cheer up, big guy.
I guess no one lives in there.
Hey! Visitors! How delightfully inconvenient!
Who the heck was that?
Let's find out.